Hey guys, Crypto Junior with another video. In today's video, we're gonna discuss 3 Solana projects that I think has potential for some nice juicy gains. And who doesn't love some nice juicy profit? I think you like it. So in today's video, we'll dive deeper into 3. And let's start with the first one, because we're gonna talk about Jupiter. And in case you don't know Jupiter, Jupiter is exchange for the Solana chain, and it is more than just an exchange. And lately, like when we see the chart, they launched their own token. This was completely based on an airdrop. Some wallets that were able and very active on the Solana chain could claim an airdrop for Jupiter. Even some guys I know that had an airdrop of around 5 to 10k just for doing nothing. Airdrops can be so worthful to do. Like, you spend some time on the chain, the upcoming chain, do some transactions. As an example, Arbitrum was one. You need to bridge some funds to the chain, you use some exchanges, transfer some money to wallets, have some swaps, and after that you can earn some points. It's all in the backend, and based on your points you will receive tokens, and these tokens will get on the market, and based on the hype you have some nice reward. And 5 to 10k guys, like just for an airdrop. It's like you are waking up and thinking, oh, what can I do today? Oh, I found some nice airdrop in my wallet. How much is it worth? 10k. That is awesome. And Jupiter is launched yesterday. When we zoom out, like, this is a very daily chart. Now we have a 5-minute chart. We see it launched. Everybody was selling their airdrop, like as mad apes. Everybody wants money, money, money. And now we saw people buying, and then people are again thinking, let me take out some profits. But we see that there's still coming buying volume in. So this is the reason Jupiter is on my radar for long term. If Solana is here, Jupiter will be here. More users for Solana, more users for Jupiter. So Jupiter is definitely on my long term list. Also, COLANA is one of the projects that I posted about yesterday. Let's have a quick look. Oh guys, hey, this is no COLANA. No, guys. Only COLANA. And COLANA is the first crypto drink of Solana. And maybe it's a cool project that is built on Solana. And COLANA is a project that is saying that they are the first crypto drink on Solana. They have a whole brand about them. I'm not sure if they're really gonna launch the drink, but it's cool and mimish, and I love that. So these guys also have some nice attention from bigger influencers on Twitter and also YouTube. That's what I saw. Also, yes, DaVinci J15, he has 500,000 followers, and many more of them actively hosting AMAs. So that's one of the reasons I'm making a video about COLANA. If we look at Jupiter, Jupiter is more for long term. COLANA can be long term, but this is not my long term play. With short term plays, I am more going in. If we have profit, I took out my initial, and then I have a moonback. And when the moonback is mooning, I will take out profits. Yeah, as an example, we go 3x. I took out 30% or something. We do another 3x. I took out another 20 or 30%. So with that, I'm still riding the wave to the upside. And if we die, we have initial out, so I'm happy still. So what else? We're going to the third project. And this project is just launched too. And it's called TOPG. And I don't have an opinion about TOPG, but he has a big audience and also a big influence. He's not the founder of this project, but he tweeted, if I launch a coin and back it with 100 million of my own money, then I will let university.com, his own community, buy in early at a discount, and then I will be the famous man. So there is some rumors that he will launch his own token. And of course, like, crypto will be crypto as always. Are there some very creative people hopping in on this hype? And TOPG is also a short-term play. Like, if we can get some profits in here, that will be awesome. The market cap is 1 million, liquidity 100k, and the volume is 23 million. 23 guys. So that is what happens with such kind of meme coins. They launch and you can do it in 8x. Like, from here all the way up to here is an 8x. And yeah, like I said, you need to get in, and when you have profit, you need to get out in such place, because if TOPG don't create his own token, the project will die. So if the price is still good when this video is online, This one is worth a try with some small allocation for yourself. Never invest more than you can lose. But like I said, long term, Jupiter, I really believe Jupiter will do long term very well. We have COLANA. It can be fun if the hype picks up. We can see a way higher market cap. It's right now at 2.4 million. It's still early. Volume is also decent, 1.3 million. And as last, we have some high risk, high reward. It's called the G stands up for crypto and TOPG. I will put all links in the description. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.